Hey there, Garrett from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news to share with all you network, IT, and telecom technicians out there. Our non-impact punch-down tool, part number PD-110. Designed as an economical option for seating and trimming wire in 110 type punch-down blocks, the PD-110 is perfect for small DIY jobs on 110 terminal blocks. Here's what you get. A small and lightweight tool, great for on-the-go use. An ergonomic handle designed for smooth punch-down action. A 110 blade with a cutter that trims excess wire when punching down. And the blade is fixed, so there were no adjustments needed. Punching down wires has never been this smooth. The PD-110 ensures your connections are secure and dependable every single time. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this is the right tool for the job. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more product launches. Thanks for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.